In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1959, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, indicated that private conversations are a trust which must be protected. Unfortunately, many have the bad habit of divulging the private conversations of people to others. This is an incredibly bad characteristic to possess, as it contradicts the attitude of a true Muslim. Many do this with their close relatives, believing it is acceptable, when it is clearly not. A Muslim should always keep the words spoken in a conversation secret, unless they are fully sure the person they conversed with would not mind the information being mentioned to a third party. If they would, then doing this betrays them, and this contradicts being sincere to them. Being sincere to others has been commanded in a narration found in Sunnah and Nasai, number 4204. But it is important to note, even if someone believes the another person would not mind their conversation being divulged to others, nonetheless, it is safer and superior to still refrain from sharing the conversation with a third party. It is important to act on the main narration, as it prevents sins, such as backbiting and gossiping, and prevents negative feelings being developed between people. This often occurs as conversations divulged to a third party often leads to misinterpretation and misunderstandings. These all only lead to fractured and broken relationships. If one honestly reflects on their life, they will realize that the majority of the people they have felt negative feelings towards occurred because of what they were told about them, not what they directly witnessed from them. Divulging private conversations prevents unity amongst people, especially relatives. And unity has been commanded in many teachings of Islam, such as the narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6065. Chapter 4 and Nisa, verse 58.
Indeed, Allah commands you to render trusts to whom they are due.
One should treat the words of others just like they desire people to treat their conversations. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.